So I'm just by Jardine House here, and there's an example of vertical greening here. Now, you'll hear people rabbiting on about the wonders of vertical greening, and yes, it is wonderful, but there are a few buts associated with it. Remember that this is being looked after and maintained by Hong Kong Land, and they have the resources and the commitment to do it. Let's just have a closer look up here and see what we've got. It's kind of interesting. We've got Schefflera arboricola, which just seems to be so tough, it can take almost anything. There's a little bit of Schefflera arboricola, and what have we got here with its little leaves with the three little kind of lobes at the end? Carmona, microphylla, and what else? Oh, we have a little bit of Duranta, erecta, Golden Leaves. There are a few other things in there, and oddly, I mean, this is quite interesting actually. We've got Aglaia, Aglaia odorata, and you can see there's an example of the leaf. Some of the leaflets have come off. You can see those little flanges on the leaves, which is how you tell Aglaia odorata. Now these are all shrubs, you know, that can grow pretty big, and they can grow taller than me. They won't last that long in here. I just want to go around to the edge so you can see how this is arranged. Right? It's the way that it's arranged. If we peep in here, look, is that you can see that there are these this kind of like a module of plastic containers, and so each plant has just got a small, like a flower pot actually. I mean, these sort of horizontally arranged flower pots, and the only way that the plants can survive here is because they're irrigated. Right? There's an artificial irrigation system, and in fact you can tell that because it's dribbling water out of the bottom. So this, without that irrigation system, this simply will not work. The plants cannot grow in such tiny little pots without being watered regularly. So this, you know, I'm sure this gets watered every day by an automatic irrigation system, and you know, with those plastic modules, you can take the whole thing apart and replace it, and you can take out the individual kind of pots or panels of pots, you know, and put another pre-prepared set of pots in, so that to the public eye it's all green all the time. But these individual plants are not going to last that long. It's interesting that the main one actually is Schefflera arboricola, which really is a testament to the toughness of that plant. Again, without the commitment, you can't do this. And without the commitment, I would strongly caution against specifying this kind of thing.